Are you using affiliate marketing to your advantage? Get tips and tricks here. Affiliate marketing can be a great way to bring in more income and attract more visitors to your website, but it can be hard to know where to start. Don't just jump blindly into a program. Instead, learn the ropes first by following the advice presented in this video. After you've made a sale on your site, offer your new customer a chance to be an affiliate. By offering a customer a chance to make a commission when he sells your products, you can turn one sale into 1,000 potential sales. This can be a great way to do marketing on the internet. You can up your productivity in affiliate marketing by simply clearing out the clutter from your mind and from your desk. Ensure that you're only focusing on affiliate marketing by making sure your desktop is free and clean, and also tidy up a bit in your immediate line of sight. Multiple studies show that a cluttered desk equals a cluttered mind. While working on your current affiliate program, do not be afraid to start laying the groundwork for future endeavors. In your spare time, you can start coding up a new site, building new bridges to new bases, working on link exchanges with current friends, and much more. Just remember to take things slowly. Research all of the available options before committing to linking to a product. The placement of affiliate links can affect your results, so keep an eye on which designs are successful. If you learn the basics of affiliate marketing first instead of diving in headfirst, you will achieve much greater success. Properly applying the principles you've learned from this video can mean the difference between success and failure. Don't let your efforts go to waste. Follow these tips and enjoy the rewards of a well-run affiliate program. Student loan.